guys, today I will be building my second PC, but this one is for my brother. It's been a long time in the making and I'm excited for you to see it. Here we have the Intel Core i5-12400F. I'm also using the MSI Pro B660M, the RX 6700 XT, silicone power RGB 16 gigabytes of memory, a Teamgroup 1TB M.2 SSD. We have a CPU cooler, the LANCOOL SE214. I'm using the Phanteks AMP 650 watts. And we have a Lian tower. Going into it, I didn't know that the motherboard had Bluetooth. I knew that it had Wi-Fi, so that's why I bought a Wi-Fi/Bluetooth adapter to put into the motherboard. But when I was building it, the GPU was covering the PCI slot, so it couldn't fit into it. Thankfully, the motherboard actually had Bluetooth and Wi-Fi already, and so I didn't need it in the first place. Anyways, back to the video. Alright guys, moment of truth. Alright guys, I tried powering it on and spent an hour taking apart the pieces and the components to see why it wasn't powering on. and after I went into the Discord server, I found out that the power switch, the front panel, was plugged into this, and it's not the JFP1, and which is over here. So when I switched over and I plugged it in, it finally powered on, and now everything's working. I'm gonna put in the back panel and work on cable management, and then install Windows. Don't record that part. Let me try that again. I didn't include it, but I also downloaded drivers and enabled XMP. That'll be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed building this PC with me, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.